Hi guys, it's Moses again, and here I'm working on the driver's side. Um, if you have wires like I have from the dash cam, I have an extra wire there, and if you have anything like that, I would recommend you to secure every section. I use this Velcro, and you put it whatever you think that is gonna be better, to secure the wires so they don't move around. And then obviously you can use this from the connection they have here for these wires, for electrical wires. I just put it next to that one, and then I'm gonna hire these cables. One of these cables is for the LED lights, the ambient lights that I have under the dashboard and on the seats. So that's what I'm securing these cables here, and then I'm gonna hide them underneath the seat. So if you have anything like that, you have to secure them so they don't move around and make any rattle noise. Okay, so that's for now. I'm gonna put this back together.